In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a filter in your Google Meet. Let's dive right in and see how we can add some personalized flair to your video calls. To get started, you'll want to open Google Meet, whether you're using the website or the app. Having that in front of you is going to make it easier as I walk you through the next steps. Now, before you actually join a meeting, you'll land on the preview screen. Here, there's a really neat feature you can use called Apply Visual Effects. You'll find this option waiting for you, so go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic of transforming your video presence begins. Once you click on Apply Visual Effects, you'll be presented with a variety of filters and backgrounds to choose from. Take your time browsing through these options. Whether you're in the mood for something professional or something more playful, there's bound to be a filter that suits your needs. Now, before you commit, it's always a good idea to preview how your chosen filter or background actually looks. This will give you a chance to see it in action and decide if it fits the vibe you're going for. It's like trying on clothes before you buy. This preview feature ensures you're happy with your decision before you join the meeting. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can confidently join the meeting with your chosen filter already active. This way, you'll be ready to make your appearance just as you intended from the get-go. However, what if you're already in the middle of a meeting and decide you'd like to apply a filter? No problem. You can still change your appearance on the fly. Simply click on the three-dot menu, which represents More Options. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Within this menu, you'll see the option to Apply Visual Effects. Just click on that and you'll be taken to the same selection of filters and backgrounds. Choose the one that you like, click Apply, and voila! Your new look will update instantly for everyone in the meeting to see, and there you have it. Applying a filter in Google Meet is a straightforward process, whether you're entering a meeting or already in one. It's a fantastic way to customize your video calls and add a touch of personality or professionalism as needed. So go ahead and give it a try in your next Google Meet session. It's an easy way to enhance your video conferencing experience with just a few simple clicks.